Buongiorno and welcome to the big, beautiful Bella Sun Luci kitchen. I'm Chef Richie. We're here to cook a recipe from our contest by Miguel Vergara, a Mediterranean burger, perfect for grilling for June. And let's get cooking. Okay, when you're talking about hamburger meat, you can be the chef and you can go to your butcher and order specifically what you want. So that's what I did today. I went to my butcher and I asked for freshly ground chuck, and I watched them grind it in front of my eyes. All right, we have 3 phases of prep. Phase 1 is the burger patties. Here are our halves, our sun-dried tomato halves in extra virgin olive oil with Italian herbs, and a Worcestershire sauce. Did I say that right? Some egg, beaten. Garlic paste. You can roast garlic, you can buy this as is. You can just make a paste yourself, however you want to do it. This is chopped onion, a large pinch of salt, and a medium pinch of pepper, like in everything I ever cook. Okay, and we'll mix that up. I'm thinking that this is going to be a super special burger. Don't be shy. I'm going to mix it up. And we're going to let that sit just to rest up and have the flavors combine. These look like a nice 1/4 pound. It's great that we have the sun-dried tomatoes in the patties and in the aioli that they're going to go with. Looks like 4 equal patties to me. Here I have a little bit more of that garlic paste. I'm going to mix into some mayonnaise. You can buy the mayonnaise or make your own. And now some more of our sun-dried tomatoes. Mix that up, and we now have a sun-dried tomato aioli, which sounds wonderful for a summer burger on the grill. Okay, the aioli's done. Burger patties are ready. The brie is cut. Let's get going outside and get grilling. All right, let's get grilling. We've got our burgers on the grill. We're going to leave them on for 4 or 5 minutes. That way they will release. Okay, you need to leave them on so they don't stick. I think we're gonna release now, so let's get our burgers flipped. Plump and juicy, just like we like it. Actually, the onion is an interesting thing because we have onion in the burger that's getting grilled. We're gonna add caramelized onions in addition to bacon that we've already cooked off. We're ready to put the cheese. Now we're using the brie again. Here we go. We'll get it on and we'll close the door and get it to melt really nicely. Okay, I have a prediction. The brie is melted perfectly. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get them off the grill. Gentle, careful. 1. Let's build the burger. Here we go. Great recipe that we've added brie and bacon to. Here comes a big scoop of beautifully caramelized onions. And I'm gonna put a pile of lettuce on top, mixed greens. You can choose any greens you want. Why? Because you're the chef. And now the aioli on the bun. And I'm gonna get a lot of the sun-dried tomato garlic paste aioli. And that goes on top like that. And you have this beautiful burger. Congratulations, Chef Miguel. You're going to get a deluxe gift box as a prize for being honorable mention in the recipe contest. Everyone else, please send in your recipes to bellasunluci.com. The deadline for the recipe contest is July 1st. Please level up, use a lot of sun-dried tomatoes. Have a wonderful June. Arrivederci, buongiorno.